to Julia's crafting space. In this video I will show you how I decorate my round dining table. So this is what I have, and I will show you step by step on how I like to decorate for fall. It's very simple and elegant for me. It's my style, and stay tuned. Thank you. Hi, so let's begin. Let me show you what I have here. I have a variety of pumpkins. I'm mostly using white and orange tones. I like to use the neutral colors just because I can change it up during the seasons and just add a little bit of color depending on the season we're on. So most of the things I have here, I got them from Hobby Lobby. So let me show you. This I got it from Hobby Lobby, and also these plates. Except for the mats, I got them from Target for $6.99 or $6 around there. So this one I think is very pretty, and I like how because it's neutral and I can change it up during the seasons. I will remove the tag. I just left it here for the video. Okay, I also got this. I showed this in a previous video on what I have from Hobby Lobby haul. And this is white berries, and you can also use these berries for Christmas. So I like to use them for both seasons. And I like this small amber glass. I got it from fall and Hobby Lobby, and it's on 50% off, so it was a really good price. This candle is from Sam's Club. My husband got a box of different candles, and it smells really good. It's the Bordeaux fig. And I have a bunch of varieties of this dried grass, also from Hobby Lobby, and all this is from the fall collection. So everything is 50% off right now. So let's start with this table. So I'm using white plates just because, like I said, I just want to do a neutral, well, with a touch of orange colors here and there. Let me know in the comments down below what colors do you prefer for fall to decorate. I know some people like to decorate with blues. I know blues are in right now. And okay, so here I'm just showing you this. So the bottom part with the fringe showing, that's what I'm going to place. So I want to take the time to say thank you to the new subscribers, and thank you to whoever who's been following me since the beginning. This is my first year here on YouTube, and I hope you like this content. I know normally I do DIYs on how to make wreaths or end bows, and this time I just wanted to try something different on how I decorate my dining table. Let me know if you like this type of content or if you prefer just the DIYs instead of like the home decor type of videos. And thank you. Hope you enjoyed this content and continue watching. And now let's work with our centerpiece. I will be using these orange leaves and these white berries, and I will be alternating the leaves and the white berries. It's a very easy method to do. So it kind of looks like a wreath, like a fake wreath. So we're just gonna place them all around. You will see. And try to hide the pick of the leaves and the white berries. And this centerpiece is very easy to make, and it's also very fun if you like to do this type of decor. And you can switch it up. You can do all white berries if you like, or use all the orange leaves. It's your home and you can do it however you like. Now I'm placing my vase. I like to use white vases because I can use any different kinds of flowers and it will always look very good. I'm going to place the small pumpkins on my plates. I know some people use silverware, but I just wanted to add a little bit of decor and not be too overboard with all the table decorations here. Just because it's easier for me to remove if you want to sit at the table, I can just put all the pumpkins inside in the middle of the centerpiece and that's it. And that's it, guys. That's the end of how I do my dining table. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know if you like this content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.